In the vast wilderness, a silent battle rages every single day. It is a battle not for territory or dominance, but for something far more fundamental: survival. Animals in all their diversity and splendor face a constant, pressing challenge: finding enough food to fuel their existence. Food is not always readily available. It is a precious resource, often scarce and hard-won. Animals must invest time, energy, and sometimes even risk their lives to obtain nourishment. Every calorie consumed comes at a cost. For some, the challenge lies in finding enough vegetation to graze. For others, it's the relentless pursuit of prey. The quest for food shapes the lives of animals, driving their behaviors, shaping their bodies, and influencing their very destinies. In this struggle for survival, animals have evolved remarkable strategies to make the most of every ounce of energy. They have become masters of efficiency, their bodies and behaviors finely tuned to conserve precious resources in a world where every calorie counts. The animal kingdom is a testament to the power of adaptation. Over millennia, evolution has shaped creatures with astonishing physiological mechanisms to optimize energy use. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, animals have become incredibly efficient at extracting energy from their food and using it wisely. Consider the digestive systems of herbivores designed to break down tough plant matter. Cows, for instance, have multi-chambered stomachs that house a complex ecosystem of microbes. These microbes ferment cellulose, unlocking energy inaccessible to many other animals. Carnivores, on the other hand, possess digestive tracts optimized for breaking down protein and fat. Their stomachs are highly acidic and their intestines are shorter, reflecting the easier digestibility of meat compared to plants. Beyond digestion, animals have evolved a range of physiological adaptations to conserve energy. Some animals enter states of torpor, slowing their metabolism to conserve energy during periods of cold or food scarcity. This remarkable ability to adjust their internal thermostat allows them to weather challenging conditions and emerge when resources become more abundant. Even the act of breathing has been refined for efficiency. Birds, for example, have highly efficient respiratory systems with air sacs that allow for a continuous flow of oxygen, even during exhalation. This unique adaptation provides the high metabolic rates required for flight, a tremendously energy-demanding activity. While physiological adaptations play a crucial role in energy conservation, animals also exhibit a remarkable repertoire of behaviors that help them survive in a resource-limited world. These behaviors often involve striking a delicate balance between obtaining food and minimizing the risks and energy costs associated with foraging. Many animals are opportunistic feeders, adapting their diets to whatever food sources are most readily available. This flexibility allows them to exploit a wider range of resources and reduces their reliance on any single food source, which can be unpredictable in availability. Social animals often engage in cooperative hunting, pooling their resources and efforts to bring down larger prey than any individual could manage alone. Wolves, lions, and wild dogs are prime examples of this strategy, where teamwork often means the difference between a successful hunt and an empty stomach. Migration is another fascinating behavioral adaptation observed in various species. By moving across vast distances, animals can access more abundant food supplies, escape harsh environmental conditions, or take advantage of seasonal breeding grounds. The journeys themselves can be incredibly demanding, but the potential rewards in terms of energy gain and reproductive success make it a worthwhile endeavor. Camouflage and mimicry are further examples of behavioral adaptations that help animals conserve energy. By blending into their surroundings or resembling less palatable species, animals can avoid detection by predators and conserve energy they would otherwise expend in escape. In the face of extreme energy constraints, some animals resort to an extraordinary measure-controlled hypothermia. This fascinating adaptation involves a deliberate lowering of body temperature, slowing metabolism, and conserving precious energy reserves. Hibernation, the most well-known form of adaptive hypothermia, allows animals to survive harsh winters when food is scarce and temperatures plummet. Bears, ground squirrels, and bats are among the animals that enter this state of deep dormancy, their metabolic rate, heart rate, and breathing significantly reduced. Torpor, a less extreme form of hypothermia, occurs over shorter periods, often on a daily cycle. Hummingbirds, for example, enter torpor at night when they cannot feed, dropping their body temperature significantly to conserve energy. These states of controlled hypothermia are a testament to the remarkable adaptability of the animal kingdom. By embracing the cold, these animals can survive conditions that would prove fatal to others. Section 5, from ingestion to elimination, minimizing waste in the animal kingdom. The efficient use of energy extends beyond finding and consuming food. Animals have also evolved remarkable mechanisms to minimize waste throughout the digestive process, from ingestion to elimination. Consider the act of chewing, a seemingly simple process that plays a crucial role in digestion. By breaking down food into smaller particles, animals increase the surface area available for digestive enzymes to act upon. This enhances the efficiency of digestion, allowing animals to extract more nutrients from their food. The digestive tracts of animals are finely tuned to absorb as many nutrients as possible. The intestines, in particular, are lined with highly folded surfaces covered in tiny projections called villi. These structures dramatically increase the surface area available for nutrient absorption, maximizing the extraction of energy and nutrients from food. Even the process of defecation is not without its purpose in energy conservation. By expelling waste efficiently, animals avoid carrying unnecessary weight, which can be energetically costly, especially for flying or swimming animals. Furthermore, some animals have evolved specialized adaptations to extract nutrients from seemingly unpromising sources. Coprophagy, the consumption of feces, might seem unappealing, but it allows animals like rabbits to extract additional nutrients from their food by passing it through their digestive system twice. Section 6. The importance of timing. Feast and famine cycles. In the natural world, food availability is rarely constant. Animals must contend with cycles of feast and famine, times of abundance interspersed with periods of scarcity. Their ability to adapt to these fluctuations is crucial for their survival. During times of plenty, animals often gorge themselves, storing excess energy as fat reserves. These reserves serve as a vital buffer during lean times when food is scarce. Some animals, like squirrels and birds, engage in caching behavior, storing food in hidden caches to be retrieved later when resources are less abundant. This foresight and planning allow them to weather periods of food scarcity and ensure their survival. Many animals also adjust their reproductive cycles to coincide with periods of food abundance. By timing the birth and rearing of their young to coincide with times of plenty, they increase the chances of their offspring's survival. These adaptations to feast and famine cycles highlight the importance of timing and resource management in the animal kingdom. By making the most of periods of abundance and preparing for lean times, animals can thrive even in environments with fluctuating food supplies. Section 7. A delicate balance. The risks and rewards of foraging. The quest for food is not without its risks. Animals must constantly balance the need to obtain energy with the potential dangers of predation, competition, and exposure to the elements. Foraging for food often exposes animals to predators. Every moment spent searching for food is a moment of vulnerability, a chance for a predator to strike. As a result, many animals have developed sophisticated anti-predator behaviors such as vigilance, alarm calling, and group defense mechanisms. Competition for resources is another significant challenge. Animals often find themselves competing with members of their own species or with other species for access to limited food supplies. This competition can be fierce, leading to displays of aggression, territoriality, and even physical confrontations. Furthermore, the act of foraging itself can be energetically costly. Animals must expend energy to search for, chase down, and subdue their prey, or to travel long distances to reach feeding grounds. This energy expenditure must be balanced against the potential energy gains from obtaining food. Animals must constantly weigh the risks and rewards of foraging, making decisions that optimize their chances of obtaining food while minimizing the associated dangers and energy costs. This delicate balance is crucial for their survival and reproductive success. Section 8. Adaptation and survival. Evolution's solutions to energy challenges. The remarkable adaptations observed in the animal kingdom highlight the power of natural selection. Over countless generations, animals have been shaped by the relentless pressures of survival, their bodies and behaviors honed to make the most of available resources. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the myriad solutions evolution has found to the challenges of energy acquisition and conservation. From the physiological wonders of digestion and metabolism to the behavioral complexities of foraging and predator avoidance, animals have evolved an astonishing array of strategies to thrive in a resource-limited world. These adaptations are not static, but rather represent an ongoing process of refinement and innovation. As environments change and new challenges emerge, natural selection will continue to favor individuals and species that can adapt and innovate, ensuring the continued success of life on our planet. Section 9, a lesson from nature: conservation, efficiency, and the future. The energy-saving strategies employed by animals offer valuable lessons for humanity. In a world facing increasing resource scarcity and environmental challenges, understanding and emulating nature's efficiency could be key to our long-term sustainability. By studying the principles of energy conservation employed by animals, we can gain insights into developing more sustainable practices in agriculture, transportation, and energy production. Biomimicry, the practice of drawing inspiration from nature to solve human problems, has already yielded promising results in various fields. Perhaps the most important lesson we can learn from the animal kingdom is the importance of adaptation and resilience. In a world of constant change, our ability to adapt, innovate, and find new solutions to emerging challenges will be paramount to our survival and prosperity. As we move forward, let us remember the lessons learned from the animal kingdom. Let us strive to live in greater harmony with nature, adopting practices that promote conservation, efficiency, and a sustainable future for all.